am also a photographer, still coming up. I want to know, how can I relate my photography skills with the AI skills, considering the fact that there are AI apps that can actually create a picture of someone or something like that.
I'm an AI person. My brother is a photographer. So the content I do teach people how to use AI. And I tell him and people like him that AI is taking your jobs, and I'm teaching people how to use AI to do studio picture. And people are doing it and no longer going to the studio. That's the problem. But you know how my brother is living above this challenge? He's creating human connection. My goodness. Photographers, AI is not your problem, you are your problem. If you see his page and what he does, when he's taking you a studio shot, his wife is by the side taking short reels of the whole moment. And once they are through, you that came for studio shots, those moments of you, they were making you happy, playing music, those clients value that short content more than this photograph. AI will not do that thing. AI cannot achieve that thing in how many years to come. Number 2 thing you need to do, go away from studio shots. Look at things that AI cannot do. Wedding photography. Can AI come and stand here and be following me up and down? Even though there's a robot on that thing, I know there are now robotic cameras. Think about going into a type of photography that doesn't require you to be stationed, because AI can just create some pictures. And lastly, watch out for imperfection. I know when I used to train people in photography there's one feature we call portraiture. There's an effect they used to put in pictures then. All your face will look like a teddy bear, so smooth. A lot of clients love those kind of pictures because their faces are smooth. Pimples that is here is gone. Everything smoothing to the nose, everything. And that's what AI is doing now. Perfect photos. Humans create imperfect photos. As a photographer, if you want to stand out, people are looking out for those blemishes, those spots on their faces. AI usually doesn't retain those things. They want a perfect thing. So make sure you keep taking original photos, and when you are retouching, you do not take away that original feel. With that, you can never be irrelevant in your job.
Good afternoon, everyone. I should say I'm the most excited person here because I really learned a lot, and I want to appreciate every single person for coming here. I want to thank you for your patience. I want to thank you for staying put till the end of everything. I say may God bless you in Jesus' name. And I also want to thank our professionals that came to speak to us, and I like the fact that they poured out themselves to us. They poured out a lot of knowledge, and I really learned, so I want to thank you.
Thank you very much for the attention. Thank you for staying put to the time.
You can also call me the digital librarian. God bless you.